Okay, today we're going to be making this painting with oil painting, right? It's going to be mounted on a frame and a backboard. Okay, here we got our plywood. We measured 29 and a half and then also 59 and a half going the other direction. We already cut the one side and we're ready to split the other side on table saw. Okay, we got a piece of oak 1 by 6 by 10 foot long. I'm going to split it in half and use this for the border. Okay, our measurements, we measured our panel and then we also are including angles. So this measurement here again was 30 inches, and then we'll cut the thing again at 60 more inches for the length, and that's including angles on both sides of the piece of wood. And then we're going to split this guy in half so we have a top and bottom. We set up our saw going 1/4 inch in from the blade to the edge of the guide, and also 1/4 inch from the bottom of the table to the top of the saw at the Okay, we got them cut the angles out of each piece of wood, so we're all set to cut the corners. Okay, we're going to cut the angles 45 degrees. When you measure off and you want to cut it, you mark your piece on the wood, and then you take and you run it up to the saw and make sure that the edge of the blade will just hit it. Okay, you can also double up 2 on cuts at one time, and also add a little block on the back so that when you come through it won't tear up the edge. Okay, we'll put newspaper, a double side all the way around the canvas, and put it on the floor, and then we're going to put the plywood on the back. Okay, we're applying contact adhesive on the edges of the wood and also on the canvas so that when we fold it over it'll stick, and everything is measured and ready to go. Okay, we're taking and putting on the backing, sticking it onto the panel, and had waited 15 to 20 minutes so it all will stick. Alright, we're taking and taping up the sides, making sure everything sticks. Okay, once it's all fitted and everything fits well on all the corners, then we can put the frame together. Alright, I got 2 pieces of 2x4 covering both angles, and what we're going to do is we're going to be drilling in from the top part in 2 screws, and they'll go into the side one. And this is just clamps, 4 clamps holding everything together so it doesn't move. Okay, we're going to smear a little bit of glue in between the joint, and then we'll drill the holes in and also countersunk them so that the screw will be able to touch both joints together. Okay, holding the joints together with a clamp, C-clamp, large C-clamp, and also a a utility strap, and that's what's holding this baby together, so we can center it, and also countersunk the one screw so it can go in, and the other screw used shampoo in order for the screw to go in a little easier. And you can see the joint is real nice and tight. Okay, set it in and tacked it in with little nails all the way around the edges, just so that it would work a little bit to keep everything intact. And the finished product. There we go, everything is intact. And here we can see the whole thing. We'll zoom out a little bit. There we go. And that's the finished product.